handling mail-in repairs can be a real painful experience. Repetitive data entry, tracking devices manually, struggling with Excel sheets, and dealing with customers. It's all an absolute struggle. Need a rescue plan? Have we got the answer for you? Say hello to the RepairDesk Mail-in Repair Suite. All you need, automated, all in one place. Here's how it works. Meet John, an everyday guy with everyday problems. And meet Matt, the repair whiz and the guy with the solutions. 1,200 miles from the East Coast, John has broken his ultra-rare phone and needs an urgent repair for it. John fills out a customer service request and submits a repair work order. Matt receives the order and the device. After a quick diagnostic check on the phone, Matt sends over an estimate which John approves. Using RepairDesk, Matt can now work on the repair through a customized mail-in workflow that seamlessly brings together tracking, triage, servicing, returns, parts, and labor, all in one place. Over on John's end, the Repair Tracker widget lets him track his repair status in real time. Oh look, John just received a notification that his repair is complete and easily makes the payment online. With one click, Matt books a return shipment and delivers the phone back to John.
A smooth system.
Seamless and error-free. Tailor-made for repair businesses of all sizes across all industries. Increase your repair orders and take your business to the next level. Sign up for the RepairDesk Mail-in Suite today.